Hey students, code errors driving you nuts? You're not alone. We've all been there, spending hours hunting down that one pesky bug, only to be left frustrated and stuck. But don't worry, AiToolslink's got your back. In today's video, we're diving into 5 AI tools that'll help you analyze code errors fast so you can get back to acing those assignments. Let's jump right in and fix those errors with ease. Tool 1, Deep Code Error Scanner. First up, we've got Deep Code. This tool uses AI to scan your code for potential errors and vulnerabilities that might be hiding in plain sight. It works with multiple languages like JavaScript, Python, and more. So whether you're coding in your favorite language or facing a tricky multi-language project, Deep Code's got you covered. Benefit. The benefit? It helps you spot hidden issues in your code that you might have missed, making debugging quicker and more accurate. Just ask Josh, a student who was struggling with an assignment that involved complex Python loops. Deep Code pinpointed some logic flaws he hadn't noticed, and with its suggestions, he was able to fix his code faster and score an A. Tool 2, Code Climate Quality Analyzer. Tool 2 is key. Let's talk about Code Climate. This tool not only finds errors, but also evaluates the quality of your code. It looks at things like readability, complexity, and best practices, helping you write cleaner, more efficient code. Code Climate integrates with GitHub and other repositories, making it super easy to use as part of your workflow. Benefit. The benefit? It doesn't just fix errors. It helps you improve your overall coding skills. Say goodbye to those small but annoying mistakes that bring your grade down. Sarah, a student from my class, used Code Climate on her last project, and it completely transformed her code structure. Her professor even praised her for writing clean, maintainable code, boosting her grade and confidence. Tool 3, Snyk, Vulnerability Finder. Don't skip Tool 3. Snyk is a powerful tool focused on detecting vulnerabilities in your code and dependencies. If you're working with libraries or frameworks, Snyk's AI scans your project for known security flaws and outdated packages. It's like having a cybersecurity expert on your team, checking your work. Benefit? The benefit? It ensures that your code is secure and ready for production, helping you avoid critical mistakes that could lead to serious issues later on. Remember Alex? He was about to submit a project that relied on outdated libraries. Snyk flagged the security vulnerabilities and he quickly fixed them, leading to a higher score and a more secure application. Tool 4, Tabnine, Code Auto-Completion. Next up, we've got Tabnine. This is an AI-powered auto-completion tool that uses machine learning to suggest code completions as you type. It's compatible with many IDEs, including Visual Studio Code and IntelliJ, and works with a variety of programming languages. With Tabnine, you don't have to guess what function comes next. The tool suggests reliable code completions, saving you time and reducing errors. Benefit. The benefit? It speeds up your coding process while reducing common syntax mistakes. Lily, an IT student who often struggled with missing brackets and incorrect variable names, used Tabnine for her recent Java assignment. With its smart suggestions, she was able to code faster, with fewer errors, and impress her professor with her polished work. Tool 5, GitHub Copilot, AI Code Assistant. Last but definitely not least is GitHub Copilot. This AI-powered code assistant takes your coding to the next level by generating code snippets based on natural language descriptions. Just describe what you need in plain English, and Copilot will provide code suggestions. It works seamlessly with IDEs like VS Code, helping you develop more complex programs with ease. Benefit. The benefit? It's like having a personal coding mentor, guiding you through tricky tasks and offering instant code fixes. Mark, another student, was working on a machine learning project when he hit a wall. GitHub Copilot suggested a complete code block that fit perfectly with his requirements. The result? A smooth, error-free submission and a grade boost. And there you have it, 5 amazing AI tools to help you analyze code errors and level up your coding skills. Whether you're fixing bugs or aiming for that perfect assignment, these tools have got your back. Thanks for watching AiToolslink. Subscribe for more. Don't forget to comment your error stories below and share which tool you're excited to try. Until next time, happy coding and good luck with your assignments.